Hi there, back today to talk about new construction homes near Quantico. I'm Victoria Bali with V-Star Real Estate. Here are the 3 top communities close to Quantico. Number 1, Rocky Run Village in Fredericksburg. Rocky Run Village is a 30-40 minute commute. Those are 4 and 5 bedroom homes with 3,200 square foot of living space on average. They start in the high 600s. All of the floor plans offer first floor bedrooms or primary suites, formal dining rooms, and luxury finishes. Rocky Run Village is a great location. It's 3 miles to local restaurants, a grocery store, and all of the live necessities. It's also less than 20 minutes to all the excitement that downtown Fredericksburg has to offer. Number 2, Woods Overlook at Potomac Shores in Dumfries. If you're looking for a new construction community with all of the bells and whistles, this is the one for you. There are 3 plans to choose from, each offering 4 bedrooms and at least 2,700 square feet starting at $750,000. The homes are plenty customizable. Even the large floor plans, which is 3,200 square foot, can be modified into 5,200 square foot homes. Certain homes offer an optional loft, added red room, or finished space in the basement. Homes in Woods Overlook have modern features, gourmet kitchen, and large primary suites. Potomac Shores offers resort-style amenities such as golf course, recreation center, pool, clubhouse, community garden, and 30 acres sport complex. It's also a site of the future VRE station, so keep that in mind in terms of commute and convenience. Number 3, Hampstead in Stafford. This community is between 20 and 30 minutes to Quantico, and only 7 miles commute is via I-95. There are 90 home sites and each is at 3 acres. The Hampstead offers 6 models, 2 of which are one-level living. The floor plans have 3 to 5 bedrooms running from 2,500 to over 7,000 square foot. Price starts at $800,000, and this includes finishes and features you'd find in custom homes. In fact, the list of features is really impressive. The neighborhood is tucked away and very quiet area. However, there are plenty of great shopping and dining options about 15 minutes away in the Garrisonville area. These 3 communities are definitely worth checking out. Many new home communities have been offering buyer incentives, so act soon as homes in Northern Virginia sell quickly. Want to see what's available or schedule a tour? It's always possible for me to do a virtual tour as well. Feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and find the potential new home near Quantico. Thanks for watching. Visit the link below to all of up-to-date listings available, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more local real estate tips.